everyone, it's your girl designer Soapbox and I am back with another video. So in today's video, we're going to talk about this recent news that I have received. A lot of you may have received it too if you have used Upturn in the past. But yes, Upturn is shutting down. And we're going to talk about what that looks like and if you have the app or used it, what is going to go on and how you guys can use these tips if you used it and got results. So I'm here to just keep you guys in the loop and just make sure that you guys have all your ducks in a row. So if you're interested, stay tuned. So I got an email today as of January 13th this afternoon, and this is from Upturn. Dear user, we regret to inform you of the strategic decision to cease Upturn's operation. Transparency is incredibly important to us, which is why we are sharing the news as early as we can. When we started Upturn, our mission was to give individuals like you the tools and knowledge to take control of their credit improvement journey without the fees of cost that typical credit repair companies might charge. Even though our journey is coming to an end, we are proud that we are able to help hundreds of thousands of people all across the country to start their own journey towards healthier credit. You don't have to take any action, however, there are some changes in the service. We will stop sending you credit alert notifications beginning today, which is January 13th. We will suspend the ability to create new disputes beginning January 15th of 2021. We will suspend the account creation sign up beginning today as of January 13th, 2021. You can continue to access your account and view your scores through the Upturn app until your account is eventually closed. Of course, we will continue to support you during the period of transition. We understand that you will have questions for us. Please stay tuned for updates and news and reference a list of frequently asked questions we've complied here. Thank you for using Upturn, the Upturn team. So that is the email that they sent out to all of the users today as of January 13th, 2021. So this has caught me by surprise. So let's just talk about it. Let's just talk about what to do next. First, let's just go over that email. The Upturn new updates. If you guys don't know, the Upturn app is used for TransUnion, and a lot of people were getting their collections and charge-offs and negative items removed from their TransUnion credit report using the Upturn app, which was used to dispute these negative items. Many people had success within 20 minutes all the way up to 30 days, but it was really quick results. I have made several videos about this, how you guys can use this option. However, if you guys read the terms and conditions, it's up to you if you want to go ahead and move forward with any disputing online methods. So the Upturn new updates mean no more new accounts users as of January 13th of 2021, no more disputing on the app as of January 15th of 2021. So if you already have an account with them today and you want to, dispute something, you better do it now. If you want to take that chance, that's up to you. And also no more credit alerts on this app where they update you anything that's going on with your TransUnion report. There's no more credit alert updates. What to do if you use Upturn in the past. So if you use this to remove a Santander account or a Santander collection or whatever that has something to do with Santander, you may know that they're actually in a lawsuit. So if you use Santander that is in litigation or any other company that is in litigation, you don't need to worry about it coming back during litigation. You can, that's why a lot of the Santander accounts were getting removed very quickly. Just make sure you keep an eye on the Santander situation so that you can be in the loop. Disputing using a valid reason will unlikely get the negative items to come back on your credit report. Okay, so even though Upturn is being removed, if you dispute it using a valid reason, it's unlikely it will come back. You can settle with the accounts in case they do come back. If you want to make sure that they don't come back, this is entirely up to you. You can settle with the accounts. You can also still dispute the old-fashioned way by mail just to make sure it won't come back. Okay, either or. I would try both if you think it's going to come back. However, by law, the creditors or the collection agency must contact you first by mail if they decide to put the account back onto your account. Okay, so this is by law. if it pops up without notifying you by law, it violates your rights and you can get it removed right away. So it's important to check your state laws and check the Fair Credit Reporting Act laws to know which will be benefit. Depending on your state or depending on the collection agency, how many days do they have to notify you by? Okay, some is 5 days, some is 15, some is 30. So I would check with your state and also the Fair Credit Reporting Act, and I'll leave that link below so that you can get a copy of the Fair Credit Reporting Act book. So this is what you should do if you use Upturn. Don't be in shock or don't be alarmed or don't be scared that it will come back. Remember, if it does pop up, just get on there right away and do your disputing, or you can settle in case it does come back. But just make sure that it's a valid account that, like Santander. If you got Santander removed, I don't suggest worrying about that. Just do your research. And yeah, I just wanted to give you guys an update on that. Hi everyone, it's Designer Soapbox. I just wanted to make this video to guys let you know that I am having a 50% off sale for 72 hours. Yes, a 50% off sale on the 24-hour express inquiry removal guide and also the late payment removal guide. So just head down to the description or to the pinned comments and click the link and get your 50% off. Remember, this inquiry removal will help you remove hard inquiries from your credit report within 24 hours. And then the late payment guide will help you remove your late payments very fast, super fast actually. If you're tired of disputing your late payments, waiting 30 to 45 days, this is a quicker method of getting these late payments removed. So if you guys enjoyed a lot of my content, I talk about this in my videos. However, I have this in an ebook. I'm doing 50% off for you guys. If you missed the 60% off sale, I'm doing one for 50% off. So I'll see you guys in the next video, and thanks for supporting, and make sure you like, subscribe, and comment. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment. Make sure you follow the exclusive group where we give out tips and hacks that we don't post on YouTube. And make sure you follow me on Instagram at Designer Soapbox. And make sure you check out those ebooks at designersoapbox.com. And I'll see you guys in the next video. And don't forget, I love you all. Bye.